Excuse me. Are you helping me dig, or are you? You helping me dig? Oh, thank you very much. Yes, you're helping me dig. Well, thank you. That's very helpful. Can I shovel now? Can I shovel? Can I shovel? Move your bum bums. Thank you. Oh, okay. Now you're helping me dig again. That's very kind of you. Thank you so much. Oh, leave the wormies. Don't eat the worms. We want them. Oh, okay. Oh, look at your nose. Look at your nose. Look at your nose. Oh, my days. Now, I'm messing up your little groove, am I? I'm messing up your butt groove. Yeah. Oh, Spencer, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you helping me? You helping me, pup? Oh, stop being so cute. It's not allowed. Stop it. Stop being so cute. Oh, you funny dog. Right, grab my chance. Yes! King of the mound. Oh, you are funny. I'm messing up your butt groove, am I? Go on, make a new one. There's your exercise for you then. Go on then. Okay, you dig. But bear in mind, that's the only place you're allowed to dig. I'm sorry, you ain't digging in this garden otherwise. Yeah, it's a no-dig garden. Oh my days. Dr. Ruffin. What you grumping for? What you grumping for, huh? Oh, king of the mound. Compost bags are so handy. No, that's birds tweeting. Yeah. Spencer. You starting again. come to help again, have you? You're helping me shift soil. Okay, you loosen it, I'll shovel it. Deal? You gonna loosen that for me? You loosen, you dig it, and I'll shovel it. Yeah. Deal? Not right now. You want your breakfast? Jasmine, forgot we had you. And you've survived the neglect? Oh wow. Timber! Oh. Right. Oh. Oof. Let's get this stem out. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Well, you weren't that well rooted in anyway. Ah. Oh. Oh dear. Oh. Ooh. That's a beastie. Bits of concrete. Sorry, Winnie. Precarious, precarious. Okay. Whoa. Really sharp edges. And there we are. Pots only there to protect the soil from animals and too much sun. When I'm ready to grow in them, all the pots will be removed. Let's try and get round there. Not that you can see much in the sunshine. Right, that's all the way around on this side of the terrace. And then another terrace has to be done on that side there of the circle, but that's going to be a different type of solution. So you'll see that when I do that.